I sold accounting software for years, and for all those years, I was pretty wrong about what I was selling and who I was selling it to. We would write about cash flow for flower shop owners, because those are small business owners. That was what it all came down to always. Know how much money you made with a photo of a florist next to it. But people who need accounting software are small business owners with dreams. Dreams that range from hiring someone and being an actual employer, which is a big deal and a total shift in how you feel about yourself as a person, to dreams of building an empire and retiring young with 50 million in the bank. Small business owners don't just stand around in a shop arranging flowers. They go for walks to clear their mind. They stop and sit on a bench overlooking the river valley with their brains turning a new idea for their dream inside out. Their mouths are often like a little bit open because they're thinking. Their brows are often a little furrowed because they're problem solving. Now, if I'd known better, if I'd had a lesson like this one that you're watching right now, I would have found the dreamer to talk to. People with a dream are people who find ways to say yes to your offer. They're technically on the fence, but they're standing on it on just one foot, hoping a light breeze will come along and topple them straight off that fence and into your product. They believe, they want to believe, and that is more than half the battle. So if you're not sure who to sell to people with a dream. And if you think you know who to sell to, but you haven't tapped into the dreamers in that group, by which I mean logical dreamers, illogical dreamers, sometimes doubting dreamers, usually excited dreamers, try talking to the dreamers in that group in whatever you write next.